Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a project share video. Today I'm joining hashtag 2crafters1design and hashtag SatMoreMakes. 2crafters1design is Melissa here on YouTube. She's Moe Creations. Lisa, UCYIMADIVA. Gloria with Girlier's Cards, and all of them on YouTube. And then hashtag SatMoreMakes is Jill. She's Jillian Norwood Design Greenwood Girl Cards. So Melissa, Lisa, and Gloria pick a theme each week, and they ask you to craft with that theme and join on Saturday morning with your creations. And Jill, she wants you to craft all week and then just share your designs on Saturday morning. So 2crafters1design, their theme this week is bees. So I wanted to join because probably like a lot of you, I have items in my stash that involve bees or that are bee related. So here's the items that I use. First up, from the stamp market, these gems or enamel dots. For Simon Says Stamp, this cute little die set. Really like this. Gina Marie Designs, this cute little die set here. And I think this one is called Nested Scalloped Rectangles. And then this one from Simon Says Stamp is, I think it's just called Marquee. I use from Paper Rose Studio this really beautiful paper from the Butterfly and Bees Basic. And then also I use some of the enamel die cuts from the same collection. These are awesome. You can see all the designs here. And then in my collection I have this container full of items from Graphic 45's Let It Be. And this isn't all that I have, but I just wanted to share this is how I contain some of the ephemera and the cute little stamp set, and maybe some paper remnants I have. I keep them all in this container that I purchased from IKEA, and then I mark, you know, what the collection is on the end, so I'll know which one I need to reach for. So let me share with you what I created. So they have these really cute little miniature composition books at Dollar Tree, and so I went, and I think you get 3 in a pack. I don't have a blank one to show you without me, you know, the one that I hadn't put a design on, because I used all of them in some other type of paper, but I just wanted to share these with you because they're kind of bee related. And this is from the Let It Be collection from 49th and Market, and I just cut out paper, and then I put this little banner on the front that says busy as a bee. And these are just like the little, you know, paper notebooks you can use. I covered the back with just paper from my stash, and it's basil paper. And then here's another one. This is Let It Be, and this was a sticker. And then I put some little gems on it. I don't know how well these gems will stay on here when you're talking about something that possibly someone will be handling. So that may be a choice that, you know, won't last, but I thought it was cute. And then from the Bees and Butterfly collection by Paper Rose, here's a cutout using that Simon Says die set. And then I used one of the embossed cutout bees. And when you feel this, you can feel that it does have like a raised embossed, a little bit of feeling on it. And then here's the next one, and then I added this little butterfly, and this is the paper. And then when I cut it out, I just make sure that the focal point is pretty obvious, you know, so I can adhere it on the little notebook. And then there's one of those gems here and here. So that's what I have for you today. What do you think? I think these are adorable. I probably will just pass them out at work and to co-workers and friends, so they could just have them to make little notes on. So that's what I have today. Hopefully everyone is doing well, and I hope you enjoy your day. Talk to you soon. Bye.